So, good evening to all of you.
Good evening, sir.
Today we will discuss some question and answer, and I will ask some questions to all of you. Okay?
Yes.
Some random questions, so you have to answer
Yes.
one by one, related to your family, related to your parents, schools, coachings, friends, etc. Okay? So I will ask some general questions also. So you have to answer in English only. Okay? So I will start with Divyans. Okay, Divyans. So your first question is, sit down. Your first question is, so can you please let me know about your family background?
There are 6 members in my family, including me, my grandparents, my father, my mother, and me and my brother. My father's name is Mr. Mahin Singh Rawat, and he is a businessman. And my mother's name is Mrs. Mamta Rawat. She is a homemaker. And my brother's name is Gav Rawat. He is a boy and he studies in 7th class.
Okay, very good. Clapping for the Divyans. Next, I will come to Harshit. Harshit. So Harshit, what's your favorite hobby?
So my favorite hobby playing games.
Playing games only. So
and do many types of creativity.
creativity. So can you give me any example of creativity?
Like art and craft.
Art and craft. Which type of art and craft?
Uh, 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 I made many things for our daily needs. Like I made our dressing room and some our useful things.
Okay, some of the useful things. Okay, very good. So next question to Divyans. Divyans, so actually your exam is near to come and your exam is coming. So which date your exam will start?
6 March.
From
6 March.
6 March. Okay. So do you have any pressure of your board exams?
At this time, I have not any pressure of my board exams. But when I sit for study or when I think for my syllabus, so I see that 2 subjects syllabus is remaining
Okay.
to learn.
Okay, so that's why right now you don't have any stress.
Right now, I have not any type of stress.
Okay, okay. Next, I will come to Ayush. Ayush, so can you please let me know about your mama's house,
Yes, sir. My mama.
maternal uncle house?
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
My maternal uncle house is located in Mona.
Hmm.
In the right side of the map. When we go to the mama's house, there will be an open area,
Okay,
and there will be a pitch in the front of my mama's house.
okay. So do you like to live in your maternal uncle's or mama's house?
Yes, sir. I like so much to live in my maternal uncle house.
Is there any friend also?
Yes, sir. My cousin is also a friend, also my friend.
Okay, very good. So next question to Shrey. Shrey, so in which class are you studying?
I study 8th standard.
8th standard. Okay. So how many subjects you cover in 8th standard?
I covered 7 subjects.
7 subjects. So in these 7 subjects, so which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is maths.
Maths. So why do you like maths more?
Because in maths we have to learn more about related to our earth.
Related to earth?
Because in earth we have to find the parameters, areas like that.
So this is the part of the geometry. But actually anyone like math?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Athar, why do you like math?
Because it is good for our mental health. We can solve it to improve
Yes.
our mentality and our brain. Because we can solve many questions, equations, and geometry questions to improve our learning power. And we can also be creative with math because there are many and several questions to solve, and we can improve our mentality with this. That's all.
Okay. So next I will come to Garv. Garv. So at what game are you interested more? Or in which game are you interested more?
I am interested
play cricket.
I am interested to
Play cricket.
play cricket. Okay, means interested to play cricket more. So this is the right answer. I am interested more in cricket. You can say that. Okay. So do you like gully cricket or just a ground cricket?
I like ground cricket.
Ground cricket. Okay. So do you have a time to play cricket?
8 to 10
8 to 10 minutes per day.
hours. 2 hours.
8 to 10 hour. In which
8
day?
to 10.
8 to 10. What do you want to say? Okay, just think, please. Okay, I will ask some question to Samyak. Samyak, so which is your favorite place and why?
My favorite place is Bittarwar.
Vitarwar. Okay, so why do you like Vitarwar more?
Because I live in Bittarwar and there are so many things I explore.
I can explore. What are the things you can explore in Vitarwar? Just give me an example.
Fort and weird jungle. That's all.
That's all. Okay, Satyans. Satyans, what's your favorite hobby?
Sir, my favorite hobby is playing cricket.
Playing cricket. So why do you like to play cricket more?
Sir, because playing cricket is the best way to physical exercise.
Best way to physical exercise. Okay. Okay, so Vivek, what's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby playing.
Playing. It in which or at what game?
Playing cricket.
Playing cricket. Okay. So do you have any extra other hobby? No, you don't have any extra other hobby. Okay. So Vivek, you are studying in which class?
Seven.
In 7th standard. So which is your favorite subject of the 7th standard?
Math.
Maths. So why do you like maths?
Math is a very important and easy question. Math is a lifetime. That's why.
Okay, you have no valid points. Okay, next. So Yasraj. Yasraj. So how much time do you have to practice a game every day?
I have no time to practice daily to a game.
You don't have any time. Okay. So how much time do you spend for your study on regular basis?
Maybe 8 to 10 hours.
Including the school or coachings?
Yes.
And what about your personal study time at the home?
At the home, 2 to 3 hours.
2 to 3 hours per day. I will ask to your mother. Okay. Okay, Ananya. So which is your favorite color?
So my favorite color is blue.
Blue. So why do you like blue color more?
So because it is related to our sky.
Okay.
And there are many things in our earth related in blue color.
Okay. So can you please give me information about your family?
There are four members in my family, including me. My father, mother, sister, and me.
Okay. So what's your father?
My father is a shopkeeper.
Shopkeeper. Okay. Or you can say that businessman. Okay. And what's your mother?
So my mother is a housemaker.
Homemaker. Good. Okay. So Anushka, do you have any knowledge of agriculture?
I have not a lots of knowledge about agriculture.
Okay, but I know you belong to the family who's interested in agriculture. Means your
Yes, my father is interested in agriculture, and he's more interested because there are shop whose my father is a shop. It is related to agriculture.
Okay, my father has a shop. Okay, so just I am asking to you next question. So which is your favorite subject?
Sir, my favorite subjects in English because it is not very difficult and it is related to our future.
Okay, so in the English, or just we are discussing, we are talking about some English speaking questions. So are you interested in English speaking or listening?
Sir, interested in speaking English.
Speaking English. Okay. Okay, next, Pradum. So which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
English. So why do you like English more?
English is easy. So many questions like
Many questions like
our daily.
your daily routine life.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you like English stories? Do you like English stories or poems?
Yeah, I like.
Okay. So do you remember any poem name of your class 7th book?
The street boy.
The Street Boy. So do you remember the poet name of that poem? Who written this poem? You don't remember? Okay. So Deepesh, what's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Math. So why do you like math more?
Math is easily question.
Means you can say that I will solve some questions easily in math. Yeah. Okay. So which is your favorite game?
My favorite game is Kho.
Kho. So can you please let me know about Kho? How to play Kho? How many members in Kho?
So many.
Do you have any knowledge about? Anyone have knowledge about Kho? Yes, Sumit. Do you have any knowledge about Kho game?
Yes.
Yes. How many members in Kho? And how to play?
So 8, 12.
12 members? No. Anyone has an idea about Kho? How to play Kho? Yes, Ayush.
Sir, I think 8 members are there in one team.
8 members are there in one team.
Yes, sir.
In Kho.
Sir, I think 11 players.
11 players.
No, 9.
9 players in Kho. How to play Kho? I don't know. I have just listened about Kho more, but I don't know how to play and all. Anyone have knowledge about Kho? Okay, so you can take some information about Kho, why your parents and all. So we will discuss next time Kho. Okay. And next question I will ask to Divyans. Divyans, if you have a chance to visit any other country, so which country would you like to visit?
I will not visit any country except the India
You don't want to visit. Why?
because our India's culture is best. I like and the food and
I don't want to live there. I just want to visit, only for visiting.
and I am not interested in any other countries.
Okay, you are not interested. Okay. So anyone interested to visit America? Okay. So why do you want to visit America? USA. You don't know.
No, sir, I don't want to visit America.
Which country do you want to visit?
I want to visit Dubai.
Dubai. Okay. So Dubai is a city. Okay. So why do you want to visit Dubai?
Because there are several buildings and there are some skyscrapers in the Dubai, and there are many type of luxurious hotels in Dubai.
Okay.
That is why I want to visit there.
Okay, very good. Okay. So just next question, anyone you can answer. What are the 5 things so we should have to avoid on daily basis? What are the 5 things we should have to avoid on daily basis? Just you all have to answer. What are the 5 things according to you we should have to avoid on daily basis? Yes.
we have not to be negative about anyone, anybody
Very good.
else, and we don't have to make joke about anyone that are not presenting in front of us, and we don't have to cheat our friend, cheat some homework with our friend, and we don't have to copy that, and we can also avoid operating phones much, and we can avoid
Okay, good. Satyans.
watching TV.
Yes, Harshit.
First, we don't do bad things. Second, we avoid the junk food. Third, we don't disrespect our teachers and our elders. Fourth, we don't bad use for our friends, and we don't cheat anyone's homework.
Okay. Yes, anyone?
We have to avoid laziness our daily need, and we have to promise well, and we should not cancel a promise, and we have not to cheat anyone, and we have to take care of everyone and respect everyone.
Very good. Satyans. What are the 5 things we should have to avoid,
Sir, first,
or we should avoid?
sir, we don't cheat to anyone, and sir, we don't, we don't misbehave to anyone, and we don't abuse to anyone, and sir,
Why are you laughing? Yes, continue.
and sir, we and we can't, and we don't operate phone very much on
Okay.
daily basis.
Okay. Shrey, what are the 5 things we should avoid on daily basis?
Avoid to tell lie.
We should avoid to tell a lie. Okay.
And we should not thinking to anyone like a joke,
Okay.
and we should not disrespect to elders and youngers also, and we should not think to anyone कि that is do that and I am not do that like that, and we should avoid to play much because study is also a part of learning. That's
Very good. Yes, next. Yes, Raj.
Yes, sir.
What are the 5 things we should avoid?
We should avoid 5 things in a day, we should not
Anyone?
we should not argue with our elders or teachers or parents, and we should not think bad about anyone, and we should not
We should not. Okay. Anushka, what are the 5 things we should avoid?
we should not operate the phone. We should not operate phone.
Very much.
We should avoid to. We should avoid our laziness. We should not do respect with others. We should not abuse with anyone. We should always respect others.
Okay. Ananya?
We should avoid to listen bad things to everyone. We should avoid to abuse to anyone. We should avoid to say bad things to anyone. That's all.
Yes, one more.
We should not insult anyone who is not present, or standing in front of us, and we should not tell a lie, and we should not tell abuses.
Very good. Anyone? So last question. So my last question is that if you have a chance to visit Delhi, okay, so you have already heard about Delhi more, because Delhi is our India's capital, our country's capital. Union territory is a different part, but first thing is Delhi is our India's capital, means our country's capital. So what are the 10 things do you have know about Delhi? Yes.
Delhi is very polluted country.
No, first of all, when we start to any topic, or just we have to start anyone about something and all, so we don't start from the negative things. Okay, just your point is
There are
Yes.
there are many companies and there are many opening companies that are started from Delhi. And there are many.
you can tell about the places, you can tell about the things, you can tell about the foods.
There are many good places to visit in Delhi, and I want to also visit like our India Gate and our Sansad Bhavan.
Parliament House. Okay, so just how many buildings you remember in Delhi? First, Parliament, President House, PM House, and
Cannot Palace.
Connaught Palace, and Qutub Minar, India Gate, Red Fort, or Supreme Court, and National Museum, and India Gate, Red Fort already done. What are the places? Humayun Tomb, some luxurious hotels, Humayun Tomb. There are many markets like Janpath, Kamla Market, wholesale markets, Thief Market, Chor Bazaar, and because we have, there are many temples like any big temple you remember in Delhi?
Sir, there are big masjid in Delhi, Jama Masjid.
Jama Masjid, big temple, any big temple. ISKCON temple in Delhi,
Yes, ISKCON temple.
and one more big temple. You remember? One more big temple. You recently visited in Gujarat. Which temple? Anyone? So now it's time to complete our video for today. Okay?
Bye.